Here we come to the original wing elevator at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. I originally thought this was a Montgomery, but apparently not, because this elevator was installed in the later 2000s and Montgomery Kone was already discontinued in 2000. But anyways, let's ride. Here we go. You remember this elevator? It's got an epic sounding motor. The light is already burned out. Oh, I remember this elevator here.
Cab kind of reminds me of Bush a little bit. Good dogs.
Sorry. Oh, I don't have a camera. Oh! That was... Sorry about that. I just got startled.
First floor. Going up.
Oh, we're staying in. You gotta hear this motor, Lee. You're not gonna regret it. Here we go.
That's a nice motor.
Beautiful.
Two. Go down?
Yeah, going down.
There we go down.
First floor. Again, we do not have free time.
We're staying.
Arriving city.
I want to get a cavity now.
We have an eye in the sky in here.
Second floor.
All right. You want to end your? Looks like you just ended your video.
Oh. I'm still recording.
Oh, okay. Well,
Guess we can get off at 1.
yeah.
Yeah, let's just get off at 1.
Oh my. That was.
I know. This is a nice elevator, I have to say.
What did you think of the motor?
Very nice motor.
It's very interesting.
I gotta take another ride on this. I haven't even filmed this elevator. Yeah. This is where I'm gonna do my solo ride.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll wait for you here.
All right. Sounds great.
Second floor.
We're gonna go ahead and get off because people are literally constantly getting on and on and on. So I might also just end my video here, and I'll do a separate take later. Anyways, you know what? That'll be it.